Quick demonstration how the control panel works on the Frankias. To turn it on, first hold the power button, it'll run through a safety check and those symbols will disappear. The home screen will come up in a moment. This is a standard home screen. If there is nothing wrong, this button will be illuminated green. This is illuminated red as it's saying we are low on fresh water as that's flashing. Also we've got no gas on, so that's the reason that button is red. Top button here is to switch your main lights on. This button here to switch the water pump on and off. This button, although it illuminates, is not used in the UK. This is for tank heaters, not a usual UK function. So that will illuminate, but it will not do anything. This button here is for your entertainment. That will switch on your head unit and also the power to your TV and TV rail if fitted. The program button here, we press and hold it. That will allow you to select a couple of minor settings and alter the clock. The up and down arrows here allow you to navigate the menu and accept from there. The next button we have is the water levels. This shows a percentage in 10-degree increments, fresh water and wastewater. This button here is your batteries. This is your vehicle battery and your habitation battery. The voltage is displayed here and the amount of ampage you're using there. If it's a minus, that means it's drawing. If it's a plus, it's putting into it. And that's the control panel. The home screen, it's just displayed the habitation, battery and the fresh water. That's the standard home screen. Right. Okay, so these are the controls on the duo bed. The standard bed just goes up and down. This one has an additional function where there's an extension on the front which comes out. So bring the bed down into the lower position and then keep your finger held on the button to put it down. Okay, if we hold the button down, you will see the front extension going forward. Keep the button pressed down until it stops. When it stops, these cushions fold down like so to form the bed extension. Using this position, when you've finished and you want to put the bed back up, remember to pull these up and then press the up button and that will retract. Should do it, shouldn't it?